Yeah, it was good. Had my protein shake this morning. I just didn't show you guys because I don't fuck with you like that. I mean, y'all used to be cool, and then I just, you know, some things happened. No, I'm just joking. Had my protein shake this morning. Now having the salad. I throw the picture on the screen. I got the arugula at the bottom, which I need more of. Some beans, some quinoa, some green beans, some corn, some onions. Oh, I didn't put my walnuts, raisins. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Walnuts, raisins, salt, pepper, olive oil. You know, and I got some basil. I got some fresh basil in this joint, and whoa, this is potent right here. Basil, mint, that's how I feel when I eat it. So I'm gonna eat this salad. We're gonna get some creatine today, because the closest thing you'll get to steroid-like effects on a natural vegan bodybuilding journey, athletic journey. And then, yeah, creatine monohydrate, about 10 bucks for a month supply. And then we're going to the gym to lift some heavy upper body. Let's go. All right, so just came back from the store. I grabbed some creatine monohydrate, because creatine monohydrate, no matter where you go, should be just that. It's just a bunch of amino acids. So I just went to Walmart, which is rare for me to buy supplements at Walmart. Actually, as I'm opening it, I don't know what I was thinking. It was the same price as it would be if I didn't buy it from Walmart. So I'm gonna pop this open. Take 2 scoops to the face. It's gonna be 10 grams of creatine monohydrate. I don't do the loading phase, just because I don't believe it's super necessary, especially because I have 3 more months to go, so I'm not in a rush. And by the time month 2, phase 2 is over, I'll have a nice amount of amino acids, creatine in my body. Huh. 2 scoops. It doesn't really taste good. It usually, I mean, it tastes like nothing. It tastes a little bit different than usual though. And so we're gonna see how this brand holds up. Drink some water, and we're literally going to the gym right now. what's good? Just came back from the gym. Now, there wasn't a lot of volume, meaning there wasn't a ton of different workouts. And that's okay, because sometimes, a lot of times, less is more. And so what you'll see there is that the weight was increased. I don't know if you could see that, but that's what we're going for. And then once we get past phase 2, then you'll see more of the hypertrophy, where we're doing sets and volume and intensities up. It's gonna be wild. So phase 2, just look for, we're doing strength movements. Not maxing out, but we're just going for like 4 to 6 to 8 reps during this particular phase. And halfway through this shake, right, so I got a scoop of protein, 20 grams of protein, and then I got a salad too. I'm double dipping. Shit's getting real, okay? Because I'm just hungry. Halfway through this shake, I'm like, yeah, I'm about to make a salad. What are we doing? And so I need to increase my calories, and I'm going to do that by just adding another salad in. Not loading up in 2 meals, but just adding an extra meal. This way I won't put too much of a load on my stomach. I'll keep these spaced out. And I'm gonna start with the small bowl. So my last meal of the day will be the smaller bowl, because we're just going slow. We're just going slow. It always feels better. The results are always better. So stay tuned. In my salad, I'll throw a picture up there. I got arugula, which looks different, baby arugula. Tastes like it, but definitely looks different. Walnuts, red onions. I got some red quinoa, and I got some raisins in there, along with that basil. That basil is hidden different. You don't need a lot of it. And then some beans, and then I gotta cook some more food. That's what we're doing. We're moving right along. Got work in the morning at 11 o'clock, and other than that, we're moving right along. So stay tuned. I will show you my last meal. Like I said, having a shake right now plus a salad. Gonna chill and have one more meal because we hungry. Hungry. Okay? Okay. All right. So we have made it to the end of the day. And I didn't eat since that last meal you guys saw. And I wasn't going to because I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry now. However, I'm bulking. And I usually don't feel like I'm hungry when I'm bulking, and you have to push the envelope. Now, if you're losing weight, don't do that. But if you're gaining weight like myself, if you're trying to put on muscle, you've got as lean as you want to. When I started this thing, I was the S word. Small. Okay? And we don't use that word on this channel. Alright? But I was small. And that's what I wanted to be, the leanest that I can get, right? And that's what I recommend to anyone that's getting started, anyone on their weight loss journey. Like, yo, I wanna lose weight, but I also wanna build some muscle too. So when I'm lean, that I don't look like scrawny. And while you will build muscle as a beginner, while you will build muscle on your journey, the real focus should be weight loss, right? And once you get down to your ideal weight, like I said, working on strength too on the way, but the emphasis should be on weight loss, I believe, as a personal trainer. Once you get to the lowest that you would like to be, then you slowly work back up and build that real muscle. So that's what I'm doing. I say all that to say that I got a protein shake right here. A little protein action. Just a protein shake with some almonds in it. I didn't want to throw a lot of sugar in there necessarily. And we're done from the day. Making up content. I'm on day 24. Day 25 will be done tonight, and we should be caught up by the end of this weekend. So, thank you guys for watching this video. This is very loose, and there's no reason for me to chew this protein, but everything I can remember, I could drink like that and swallow it while I drink it, but I drink it. Oh! See? Being extra. Being fucking extra. Look at that. Look at that. The question is, do we drink it off the desk? And the answer is, maybe. There's gains all over the desk. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. All right, well, whatever. So we're gonna clean that up. We just lost a little bit of gains right there. But yeah, somehow I chew my protein. And then I dropped that, so I'm kind of over this conversation right now. I'm definitely going to clean that up and not drink it off the table. But, like, comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy. Peace!